Right, here we are on source C, and you can see I haven't actually highlighted that much. In fact, the only thing that I've highlighted is this really big paragraph in the middle. Now, that's not a big deal. Sometimes you'll read a source and it just won't resonate with you. There doesn't seem to be anything that really jumps out at you. For this paragraph, the reason I liked it though is it discusses many of the sort of the themes that have emerged in other sources. So for example, work, multilingualism in terms of work, but also employers who have learned enough Spanish to speak to their employees, workers in hospitals, clinics, courts, and retail stores. It also mentions the sort of the national security angle, which also came out in passage 1. Soldiers back from Iraq or Afghanistan with some competency in Arabic and Pashto and Dari. Third generation kids studying their heritage language in informal schools on weekends. Spouses and partners picking up language of a loved one's family. That's kind of reflecting the cultural bridge element in source A. So you can see, guys, what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to build bridges between the sources as I'm reading. In the first source, I didn't know, in source A, I didn't know what would be salient and what wouldn't be. But as I keep reading, I start picking up those themes. I start making the connections. You shouldn't just be highlighting for the sake of highlighting. You should be highlighting with a purpose. You should be highlighting because it reflects something else that you read in another source. Okay, great. Let's go on to the next source.